Okay, if you've got a Google Pixel video that you cannot convert into other formats or into editing software or whatever, and you wonder why that's happening, basically the quality's with the Pixel is so good, and right now I got like an 8, but you might have a 9 or the newer 10, and you can't use it in other formats like Adobe or whatever. Only thing you have to do is convert it to MP4. So what you're going to do is you're going to download this software called VLC Media Player. You may recognize it. It's an open source software that's free, and I've been using it for decades. Just go to Google and type in VLC Media Player. And then from there, what you're going to do is open it up on your computer. And of course, make sure that the file on Google Pixel on your phone is on your computer. After you click Media, click on Convert and Save. And then after Convert and Save, what you're going to do is Add. So you're going to add that video. Click Add. It's going to go here. Click where it is. Mine's on my desktop. And here's the file. Go ahead and click it. And then click Save. And then from here, what you're going to do is once it's here, and you can do, of course, more than one video at a time, click Convert and Save. And then what you want to do is make sure that this is on settings. That's highlighted, convert. And then here for the profile, you want to make sure it's on video, H.264 MP3 MP4. All right, you're going to go ahead and click that. And then you want to make sure that click on the wrench right here. And then on what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that this is on the profile, and you'll make sure that that's audio codec is selected. Click on audio and click on keep original auto track. So make sure both of those are checked. Then choose the destination where you want to upload the file to. So click Browse. Alright, then you want to show where you want to save it to. I want to do it on the desktop again. Okay, and right here I want to change the name. And so, for example, if I'm changing the name of the movie to New Movie, what I want to do is at the very end, I want to type .mp4 before saving. And that'll help put it into MP4 format. And then I click Save. And then click on Start. And then that'll take a few minutes to download. Sometimes it could take up to 5 minutes. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.